Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll walk you through how to transfer your Worldcoin account to another phone. This is useful if you've changed devices and want to keep your account secure. Let's get started. First, install the World app on your new phone. Download the app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and make sure it's the official version. Next, open the app and select Sign In. Do not create a new account. Instead, choose the option to restore or log in with your existing Worldcoin account. Then, enter your registered details. Use the same phone number, email, or credentials linked to your original Worldcoin account. This ensures your account connects properly. After that, recover your account with your backup. If you set up a recovery phrase or backup method during your first registration, enter it here. This step will restore your identity and wallet to the new phone. Next, verify your account. Worldcoin may send a verification code by SMS or email. Enter the code to confirm it's really you transferring the account. Finally, confirm everything is working. Check your balance, identity verification, and recent transactions to make sure your account has been successfully moved to the new device. Quick tips. Always back up your recovery phrase before switching phones. Never share your backup phrase with anyone. It gives full access to your account. If you face issues, contact Worldcoin support directly for assistance. Transferring your Worldcoin account to another phone is quick and secure when you follow these steps carefully. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.